In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image ads on your iPhone with ChatGPT. We'll move from idea to ready-to-use visuals in just a few minutes, all inside the ChatGPT app. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. If you're already in another conversation, that's okay. Go ahead and start a new chat so everything for your ad is in one clean thread. This helps keep your ideas organized and makes it easier to review the different versions you'll create. Next, type a clear prompt that describes the ad you want. Include the business type, the mood or style, and the exact size you need. For example, you can write, create an image ad for a new coffee shop, a cheerful style, 1080x 1080px. The more specific you are, the better. Mention colors, vibes like modern, vintage, or playful, and who the ad is for, such as commuters, students, or families. If your brand has certain colors or a tone, add those details too. If you want options, ask ChatGPT to generate multiple ad variations. You can say, please provide 4 variations with different layouts and color palettes. Getting several versions at once helps you compare styles and pick the strongest direction without rewriting your prompt. If one version is close but not quite right, ask for tweaks like brighter colors, a simpler background, or a different photo angle. When you've found a design you like, ask ChatGPT to add text, slogans, or a call to action on the image. Be specific about the message and placement. For instance, add the headline Grand Opening, subtext Fresh Brews Daily, and a call to action Visit Today with high contrast text that's easy to read. Keep copy short and bold and make sure there's enough contrast between text and background so it pops on small screens. Once you're happy with the final look, save the images to your photos or gallery. On iPhone, you can tap the image, open it fully, and save it directly, so everything is ready for sharing. Save any alternate versions too, in case you want to run A/B tests later. Finally, put your images to work. Use them on social media feeds, in website banners, or across your marketing campaigns. A square 1080x 1080 image is perfect for most posts, and clean messaging with a clear call to action will help your audience know exactly what to do next. That's it. Open ChatGPT, start a chat, prompt clearly, generate variations, add compelling text, save your favorites, and start promoting with confidence.